Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to connect Samsung TV to internet. So first you have to take the remote and press the gear icon and then go all the way to the right. So here you have the all settings, click here, then go to the connection and then go to the network. Then after that you have network settings, click here and then if you want to do like wired connection, that is different, but we're going to do wireless. We're going to select it. Okay, now it is searching for Wi-Fi network signal. Okay, let's say like we want to connect this to this one. We'll click here and then it will ask us to press the password, so we're just going to do the password. We will then select it and then press go. It will take some time and you can see it is now connected to the internet. So this is how you connect your Samsung TV to internet. And if you want to reset it, you can also reset it here. You can also check the network status from here. And if you want to disconnect like one particular Wi-Fi, you can just click disconnect. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.